Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen and happy Chinese New Year, Year of the Tiger. Rawr. Well, today I'm going to be making one of my near and dear favorite Chinese dishes that I've made a couple times in my kitchen, but I've never made a video of it. I'm making General Tso's meatballs. It's so easy, and you need to watch and learn how to do it. You start with a bag of homestyle meatballs, and I've had this defrosting in my refrigerator for a couple hours. Now you just put them in a baggie. To those meatballs in the baggie, I'm going to add a little flour. Then you shake those meatballs in that flour and get them all coated. I'm going to heat up some sesame oil in a pan. Time to brown those balls. Time to make the sauce. Add 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, a little minced garlic can go inside, and some ginger. At this point, you can also add some sesame seeds. Let the cooking begin. It'll become a nice, thick sauce. All done. So it's not actually Chinese New Year right now when I'm making this. I'm going to be eating this on the evening of Chinese New Year with some stir-fried veggies and some rice, and some little wontons. But I have to sample it now. General Tso's meatballs. I know it's good because I've had it before, and it is awesome. You know, this is kind of my own creation too, and I just love it so much. And you can make General Tso's meatballs at home too. Why not celebrate the Year of the Tiger in your house? Happy Chinese New Year, everyone, and I'll see you next time. What's a tiger's favorite cheese? Grated!